International Cup Day 5 pack opening. This what we got for today. We have we have Pedri, Elijah Just. I don't know this one. Say Alhamdulillah Amri. And we have Romelu Lukaku, Magdaleno Arajo, and Ismail Awa. And for here we want Pedri or Lukaku. So let's see what we are going to get. Let's see Pedri stats. Pedri is registrator and oh wow, he has a nice start though. He has a nice start. Out of Lukaku. Lukaku is forcing the box. Wow. Lukaku too have a nice start. Kicking power 90 and speed 88. With physical contact 91. So let's spin and see whom we are going to get. Don't forget to like and follow. Let me cancel it. Then go. Oh, who is this one? Cancel that. Konami, why? Alright. That's okay though. So we will use him and see if he is good or not. Okay, build up. Let me say start. Oh, okay, nice start. Let us face him in the squad and see. MC is overall rating. Let me go to my game plan. Then fix him. Where is he? Alright. So we are changing him with Bunusi. Okay, his overall stat is 97. Let's check his stats. Wow, 90, 89, 92, 91. It's wow, speed 86. Okay, Bielen. Thank you very much. That's all we had for today.